Hi everyone, welcome to Eat in My Garden. Today is an exciting day. We've got harvest in the garden. So let me show you what came up. It's radishes. Radishes is very easy to grow, and in 4 weeks you've got a harvest. You've got salad in the kitchen. So how would you know the radishes are ready? If we get quite close up here, you could see they are sticking out. Yeah, so this means they are ready, and some are flowering as well. You could see here the flowers, so this means it's ready. Okay, let's pull them out. So what we do, we give them a good shake, pull them out. Wow, look at this. You would grab it, you could see it's ready, sticking out of the ground. You just give it a good shake and pull. Look at that. This is the dark red radishes. This is more of a beets color, this one. And I've got another color here. Let me show you. Here you could see this is a white one. Give it a good shake and we pull. Yeah, I did 3 types, so yeah, let's get cracking. Second harvest is pak choi, and this type of vegetable like cool weather, and it's been really hot here. You could see it's been flowering, so lesson learned to plant them in a very cool area where there's shade, and so they don't flower prematurely, but we can still harvest them. Let's pick this one, so we can still do lovely soup with that. Let's see that one here as well. Yeah, we can make salad. It's beautiful with stir fried, and it's so easy. I planted them from seeds from February, and now we're in May. We have a lovely harvest. Okay, our third stop is lettuces. These lettuces look absolutely beautiful. So I will show you how to harvest them. And so usually what we do, we go at the bottom and we just clip the bottom one and pick those one here. Yeah, beautiful leaves, put them in here. Yeah, so we would leave the middle bit here. So, and then it would just grow again and get bigger. But I want to pick one to show you the size. It's just quite amazing. It's like a beautiful bouquet. Wow, look at this. Such a beautiful lettuce for the salad. So usually we don't harvest it like that, but I wanted to show you how amazing this looks like. Usually you would just clip the bottom all round and leave the middle, and they would grow again. But look at that, absolutely beautiful. Our fourth harvest is spinach. I mean, look at that. It's like a jungle here, and you can see the flowers. It's been really hot here, and usually it shouldn't be flowering, but you know, the weather's been crazy. So all I do is just pick the leaves, this beautiful spinach. Yeah, just pick the bottom and they will grow again. Wow, this is so fresh, beautiful, really fresh, and it's good, it's stir fried, it's good with rice, it's good with salad, it's good with everything really. Well, the best time to harvest is first thing in the morning or late in the evening, because right now it's really hot. Such a lovely feeling to really pick your own fresh vegetables. I've been working for the garden since January, February, and we are in May. Yeah, and you know, thinking what's happening around the world right now. crazy, very crazy. And you know, how do you find peace in the middle of chaos, really? And you know, I love coming in the garden. I find really relaxing. Some people, you know, read a book, some people go to the beach, and some people watch TV. They find peace in that. But those peace are just for a short while. You know, the Bible says, peace I give to you, peace I live with you, not as the world gave, but you know, God give us the peace that nobody else can give. And right now we need peace in this terrible thing that's happening around the world. So I would encourage you, and it says, peace I give to you, it's now. If you haven't got peace right now, look up to Jesus Christ. He is the only hope. He is the only peace, and nothing else can take that away. So I'm praying that God would really heal our nation. God will heal our land. God will heal our broken hearts, because there's so many people that are hurting out there. So we're praying and believing, and I pray that God will give you the peace that you need today. And God bless you. Man, I am cooking here, mate.